Welcome to Big Brother. Previously on Big Brother. In the true or false competition, Diane edged out her son Sammy, and strategies immediately came out. Some went with blackmail as a strategy.
I mean, at the end of the day, people have to get their beach chairs to the beach, right? I mean, it's the way of life.
Some chose bribes as their strategy.
All right. I would never put Diane up.
While others laid low and let the HOH come to them. And yet still, some didn't quite understand the game.
There's 4 ducks in the pool right now.
Some went right to the heart.
The first person that I'm nominating.
The decision caught many off guard.
Rachel.
Whoa!
Because I think that she's a good contender and she's smart, and I don't know where her head's at right now.
Her head's right there, remember? Yeah.
The second person, ooh, I'm shaky, that I nominate is Lori. Knew it! For the same reason. I don't know, the votes have been weird the last 2 rounds, so I'm kind of trying to figure out where everyone's headed. Me and Jerns.
The veto competition was up next.
So, you start down here. When you're throwing, you start here. And you have 5 kisses you have to throw into the bowl. And then you move back. Then you throw here and you have 5 Reese's. And then you have 5 oatmeals back here. And you can see 30 points, 20 points, 10 points. Now you're also on a timer though. So if you do tie somebody on score, we'll go to the timer.
The order was decided in an adult manner.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Diane won the veto and held all the power for the week. Confidence was at an all-time high.
I have decided to use my power of veto to save Dory. I have decided to replace Dory with Todd.
Welcome, my friend.
This veto meeting is adjourned.
Let the game begin, baby! I got some driving to do, and I'm coming for you, girl. I ain't over yet, huh?
Yeah, take your measly 4 little votes.
Ooh, did you hear that? She's running the house. She thinks she's running the house. You hear that? She listen, huh? She's running it.
Todd quickly scrambled to put together a large enough alliance to save him. And Donnie continued to be confused what game he was playing.
Oh, wait, he's pulling it.
Well, you're on Big Brother, you dipshit. Jen smartly questioned the strategy at hand.
Supposed to be in here.
I doubt I have Connor, but just in case.
So Connor's going to rest me out because he knows why I lie.
She told me to vote for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Donnie quickly became paranoid.
No, it's just. We gotta take back over the house.
We got to.
Oh, we don't know how
I'm
to
still
spell that.
main target. I'll be target all day long, so I'm like, I'll shield, right? I'm like,
That's what Chad said.
Captain America. Right?
That's what Chad said. And it didn't work out well for him.
No, what are you doing in the house?
Connor could be in Springfield.
Connor could be Pennsylvania.
I go after Diane first. I go after Johnny first. You wouldn't even be thought of for me to come after you.
Well, the goal is, I get what she's doing. It's smart, right? I mean, she's,
Yeah, absolutely. I know.
Lena's with us.
Who was you before Julius was in?
Yeah. Just let her know if I'm in the house, we're coming for her.
The votes are in. Wow. I'll read the votes. The loser will please leave through the front door after I read the votes. With a vote
You say 11.
of 7-4. Ooh. Rachel, you are safe. Well, Todd, you were just evicted third week of Big Brother. How do you feel?
I mean, you know, these guys, they don't know how to play the game, honestly. You know, it's just ridiculous. You know, I know who my true loyalty and my allies are, and I know who's running the house right now. People don't realize that, and they will know soon.
With a vote of 7-4, who do you think turned on you?
Donnie, 100%. Elena. I think the four that voted for me is Tyler, Mackenzie, Jen, and Owen.
Who do you think is going to win it all?
If I had to pick right now, Owen.
Who do you think is going to win the next head of household?
Head of household will be Owen.
Well, thanks for playing. Maybe we'll see you at the reunion.
Absolutely.
And good luck moving
I
forward.
look forward to it. Thank you so much.
Stay tuned next week for more Big Brother.